Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to tell you what exactly onto the every side of the doors, no matter it is on the right side, it is onto the left side, inside one or the outside one, but the most of the doors onto the side looks like the same. You have seen this metal strip onto the every door. What exactly is actually called? It's called the gauge. So normally what would happen when you press the handle, it doesn't move at all. Can you see the small pins inside of it? When you move your handles upward side, it comes out of it. So what happens is gets stuck inside. If you see my old video, I have shown you about the 3-in-1 oil. So only you have to put that oil in those small gauges in though. So you have to, what will happen is when it gets stuck inside, you have to pour the little bit of the oil into the handle or into the side pins. It will smooth out the gauge and it will smooth out the pins too. Try it.